everyone. Let us discuss an important topic from methodology of teaching science, that is science exhibition. So here we'll be discussing about what exactly is science exhibition, how we can organize one, and what are the advantages and disadvantages of it. To start with, a science exhibition is an event in which students display science projects or demonstrates it to the public. Next is, the main objective of it is to give encouragement to students to try out their ideas and apply the classroom learning into more creative channels, because here they get an opportunity to apply what they have learned in the class. It helps them to provide opportunity to witness the achievements of their colleagues and plan their own projects. It also encourages creative thinking and promotes psychomotor skills among school students for self-design models or simple apparatus. So it also helps in developing creative thinking into the 21st century skill, and also helps them promote psychomotor skills. To encourage problem-solving approach so as to develop appropriate technologies to integrate and apply scientific ideas in daily life situations. So they also learn problem-solving approach, which is another 21st century skill which we can develop by conducting science exhibitions. Then creating an awareness regarding its impact on the socio-economic and sustainable development of the country. So it also helps create an awareness of how important a particular project or an assignment would be and what impact would it have on the sustainable and socio-economic development of a given country. Now, what are the steps involved when we want to organize a science exhibition? First one is set goals, objectives that your participants should achieve at the end of the exhibition. You should be aware of. You need to plan the schedule, like date, time, and venue. Invite the visitors to come and see the models which are displayed or anything that is demonstrated, like schools, faculty, and institutions. Monitor the flow of exhibition. Next is recruit volunteers and assign duties to them so that the exhibition can run on smoothly. Set up the display room. Select which room would be used as a display room. Think of a registration counter. Conduct a closing ceremony acknowledging the hard work of students and gather feedback from the visitors. So this is a mere checklist of what are the preparations you need to do in order to organize a science exhibition. Now let us have a quick look at the advantages of having a science exhibition. The first one is it provides a platform to students to exhibit their inner talents, which sometimes they don't get an opportunity to do, as it is completely practical based and students also find interest in participating in such events. It also strengthens the students' knowledge of the subject matter, since they are applying theory into practice, and students can develop the skills of leadership and learn how to work cooperatively in groups through such events. Then, preparing a science exhibit is an excellent example of active learning, because they actively engage in whatever that they are doing, and they are not just passively receiving information like how they do it in the class. Their ability to think and observe improves. They are curious about their surroundings and nature. Now, how would it benefit teachers? It gives opportunity to integrate many different aspects of the school curriculum and as the students use math, technology, and languages in their projects. Both the students and teachers can learn about the new discoveries and the latest techniques that are in the field of science. Teachers have the benefit to contact famous scientists, professors, researchers in relation to the projects that they are working on. And teachers acquire knowledge about specific science topics that are far outside from their curriculum, because it gives you an opportunity to basically understand what lies beyond the curriculum, or which you are supposed to teach the students during a school year. Now let us have a look at the disadvantages. The need of cost and resources to produce information material, so you need some amount of money. In order to get immediate responses, people have to know about the event first, so publicity of it is one of the things that you need to take care of. And exhibitions can be hectic and stressful because you are involved in it till it gets over. So these are some of the references. Thank you. So if you have any queries related to this topic, this is a brief understanding of what a science exhibition is and how we can conduct and advantages and disadvantages of it. If you have any queries, please feel free to type it in the chat box. Thank you.